Hey guys, it's Takun. Do you want to learn how to put channels, roles, and users in your descriptions and embeds? Well, this is the correct video for you. So, to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to find a channel we want to copy and put in a description or an embed. So I'm going to use the gaming channel right here in my server. Copy ID here at the bottom, right click, copy ID. Let's go to my notepad here. So, let me explain this. For channels, we want to use a hashtag within the brackets here, within these brackets, greater than and less than. For roles, we want to use the @ symbol and the ampersand symbol, and then the channel ID, role ID, sorry about that. Then for the last one, we want to use users, the @ symbol and the user ID. Okay, so let's do the channel first, like we've just selected. Okay, there we go. That's the channel ID done. Now it should work. Let's go to edit channel. Now, as you can see, I've already got a few of these already in here already, so should work. Now, it should link the gaming channel in the general description. Yep, can I go to it? Absolutely. Alright, next let's do it with a role. So let's go to where your server is, mine's here. Let's click on that. Server settings, roles, then find the role you want to add to a description or, well, embed. I'm going to copy ID, again. This time we need to use the @ with the ampersand symbol. Paste the ID in there right next to it. Make sure it's all correct. Yep, looks good. Let's go to the general description again. Paste it in there. By the way, you don't need to actually add spaces to this. You can just leave it like that, I think. Let's see if that works actually. Should do. Yeah, works perfectly. And finally, we're going to use a user now. We want a user in our general description, so I'm going to click on a user, my alt account, and copy ID. Paste it in here. Remember it's @ symbol, just a singular one, not an @ and an ampersand, just @. Copy that. Edit. And, well, it's already in here because I already did it a minute ago, but there you go, it should work perfectly. This also applies to embeds as well. So you should get something that looks very similar to what I've done here if you put the effort into it. This. So you can make role menus like this with the technique I just showed you. And anytime you change the name of a role, it'll change it here as well. Anyways, that's how to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And before I forget, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe.